Hey, Mr. Masashi Ono. I'm Chance from Reflection AI. I'm really happy to see you. And really like. I know that you are building your startup in Tokyo. You're from Japan.
Yes.
So we are here today on this really interesting occasion. I really want to pick your brain, right, on your thoughts on the how AI what is the role of AI in the field that you are familiar with? Can you just repeat what you just said, right? For that particular area that you think AI should play the role, particularly also under the context of your own business. You feel free to introduce what your team are doing and what are you guys trying to how are you guys trying to use AI in your stack? Yeah.
Got it. So first, let me introduce our current business. So our current business is DeFi project, DeFi protocol on Tonchain. So basically, we do wallet analyze on almost all all crypto wallets address on Tonchain. And we how do you say? We try to identify profitable wallets or high-performing wallets on Tonchain, and we try to combine a couple of them to build indexes on Tonchain, so that our users can buy a more stable coin and with still high performing coin on our platform.
That sounds like an investor, tool for the individual, right? Who are active in Tong ecosystem.
Yes, it's
you said you have technology to quickly identify who those wallets are and then learn from them, right?
Yes, that's correct. It's mainly for consumer side model.
So for that purpose, are you guys working on any AI backend to accelerate or make it more efficient?
Okay, so honestly, we haven't integrated our AI into our product yet. But on the daily job, we are using a lot of AI, ChatGPT or other, AI helping as a how do you say that, just a co-worker or co-pilot.
Right. Or AI double, right?
Yeah. My CTO, he always asks about the coding or about the tech stack to build something new. Right. And of course, I also use, I also ask the email. I'm not native English speaker, so I always ask, please,
how to spell,
please review my English and something.
Yeah, definitely. I think that since your team is based in Japan, Tokyo, right?
Yes.
I think for you, right, to reach the international market, I think the kind of AI agent or whatever double would be probably, even internally, will accelerate your team's proficiency, right, in communicating, in team collaboration. So do you agree?
Yes, I agree. I don't think we have so much difference between global standards and Japanese standards. I don't think I think so many enterprise companies in Japan, they already started to test or integrate AI into their own
workflow.
companies. Yes.
Cool. Yeah. So in your field, in the future, what are the AI capabilities that your team are looking at or actually are researching, and so that you guys can also multiply your productivity or your market reach. Are you guys doing anything about it now?
Okay, I think we have two points we want to build in near future on our product. The first one is more like backend side. So as I explained just before, we are trying to do data analysis, like on-chain data analysis on Tonchain. But now it's just just data analysis by normal way. But I want to use AI to pick, specific wallets with, certain criteria. Probably, human cannot, cannot do, but AI can, make some new criteria to build, crypto indexes or something. That is our first point. The second point is more like, UX or user experience side. So in near future, we want to have a function where our user can build their own indexes when they ask, when they put some certain words like meme coins profitable wallets or meme coin very active, very challenging wallets or something. Then our AI is going to check their inputs and try to find their specific wallets inside of our database or something and generate their original crypto indexes. That could be very awesome experience for crypto, even though crypto people, right? Yeah, that could be the second point we want to build in our product.
So for the second point, I'm really curious, right? Because that's basically you're saying that you can probably devise certain kind of AI double agent, representing your brand, and then you build up a personalized AI brand for each and every interaction, right? Or even for one user, right? A human user, they sign up, they pay you, and then they use your service, and then they can you in the back end you need to allocate a piece of the storage or memory or a vector databases, just for that particular user, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that sounds like the kind of engineering thinking that my team has been going through over the past few months. Yeah.
Wow, that's
super cool. Yeah. So personalized AI is it seems to me it has been the hype here, right? Because we have a lot of these early pioneer in the field already, right? For example, Hugging Face is one of them, right? But the demands are increasing, right? Yeah. Also some big bigger player like Google, they release a notebook ML, right? I remember they had a product called Notebook ML, which I had been using, which is amazing. Yeah, it feels like you keep your note taking effort, right? You have you keep the traditional note, PDF, everything's on that. They can cache it, but they also draw from the LLM, the Gemini, LLM in the back end, to merge together with your local knowledge. And then it instantly generates all these insights, not just based on the general knowledge, but also on the specialized knowledge that you as a human user has been using. Yeah. It's been hugely useful for me. But unfortunately, that pattern right now is really difficult to scale, right? So that's why we have Reflection AI here to try to attack those areas, the developer tooling and also the hosting the different mini app who really need an element of AI. Hopefully the tooling, the developer tooling and the offer that we come up with can help your staff as well.
Definitely.
Yeah. Because there are so many engineering problems beneath the so-called the rate deployment, right? The RAG, because that's the pattern that a lot of companies are trying to optimize on, like the rate, right? Retrieval augmented generation. Yeah.
Got it. Yeah, that sounds very interesting.
Because that's the technology. We call it that's the deployment model where we can achieve a massively scale personalized AI design, which is a big design domain by itself. Big design space. Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you for answering the question, Mr. Ono. What is your team's name? It's a full finance.
Yeah, actually.
I wish you all the success.
Thank you. Actually, we are still deciding our product name, so we haven't decided yet. Actually,
it's a temporary name. Yeah,
temporary name.
Just draw on the. I would suggest you to draw more on the Japanese culture, some kind of name, but also combine it with the crypto culture, so that you make it like a cool something, but also convey your national identity.
Probably sushi finance.
The Daiwa, ethnic, your spirit.
That's cool.
Cool. Thank you for answering the question.
Yes, thank you.